Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and on today's video I actually just got some packages, as you can see right over there, that the mailman just dropped off literally like an hour ago, and I'm super excited. I got a PR package from the Sweden brand Foreo, so I'm super excited to unbox that and show you guys what I got. And then I also picked up some goodies from Aritzia. As they were having their sale, I picked up like some accessories that they have, so not really like clothing stuff, but some accessories. And then yeah, I want to show you everything that I bought. Okay, so before I get into these packages, can we just talk about the beautiful flowers in the background? So I just graduated on June 29th. I actually received my diploma from my school, so I did graduate. I've been talking to you guys about my graduation for quite some time now, and I finally got my diploma in the mail. And my boyfriend was so sweet. He planned like this thing with his florist that he wanted the flowers to come the exact same day the diploma was coming, and like we had no idea when this diploma was coming, and tracking and everything, it actually came a day earlier than it was supposed to. So my boyfriend had to like pull some strings and everything, and I got this random delivery. I had no idea about it, but yeah, how freaking beautiful are they? I am just obsessed with them. They're beautiful. I just wanted to have them in the background of my video. I do keep them downstairs in the living room. Obviously they don't chill on my bed like this, and I just love them. So shout out to my boyfriend. I love you so much. Thank you. Really made my day. I was like crying, and it was just such a perfect day. First up, as I mentioned, Swedish brand Foreo reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test out some of their products, and obviously I was like yes. I couldn't believe that they were reaching out to me. Obviously I know who they are. If you guys don't, you live under a rock. I will have all their information and links down in the description, so you guys can go check them out. I know them from the Luna. They have the Luna like face wash machine. They have like the 1, 2, the 3, the mini, all sorts of stuff like that. But then I realized they have this face mask like machine device, which wait till I tell you about this device. So it is called the UFO, and I got it in the pearl pink color. It is so freaking cute. So this is it. This is basically Korean mask experts meets Swedish beauty technology, so I'm super excited for that. This works with an app on your phone. So you download an app on your phone. Every time you go to use this, you scan the barcode of the face masks, and then the phone app sends all the information over to this little device over here, and it does absolutely everything for you. You just have to follow the instructions, which I am so excited. I will also have a video of me testing it out. I will test it out and then tell you my thoughts and all of that. So let's talk about the 5 main advantages of this little machine right here. So obviously, number 1, it is a time saver. So this does everything that your typical 10 to 20 minute masks does, but this does it in 90 seconds. So obviously it is already way better. If it can do all of that in 90 seconds, it is better in the sense that I'm not wasting that much time to make sure the skin is glowing and healthy and all of that. Second benefit is obviously better absorption, and if you guys want to know why, because right here it is hyper infusion technology. So it means it goes hot and cold. So the app device on here tells this machine when to like heat up a little bit more and when to cool off and all of that. So I'm so excited to feel how that feels on the skin and just see how it works. Number 3, rejuvenating skin. So it says it locks in moisture while reducing the appearance of pores, and your girl's got some pores around the nose and like over here area. So this also does apparently give you a nice soothing massage. And then lastly, it evenly distributes all the ingredients of the face mask. All of this in 90 seconds, guys. I'm so grateful that they let me choose this, because I saw this on the website and I was like, I want to try this. I read all the benefits of it. The reviews are amazing, second of all. They also sent me some face masks, so I got the Make My Day one and the Call It a Night. So the Make My Day is a hydrating plus anti-pollution hyaluronic plus red algae face mask, while the Call It a Night is a revitalizing and nourishing ginseng plus olive oil, which is very interesting. Korean face mask, which Korean face masks are all the rave right now. Korean face masks and Korean beauty is just so beneficial to your skin. So we have Korean face masks meets Swedish beauty technology, so that is going to be super exciting to try. I will be telling you guys a little bit more about everything when my next video hits. I think I'm going to test it for like about a week, and then I will have a video up of me trying it and reviewing it. But yeah, shout out to Foreo. Thank you guys so much for sending me this. Again, everything will be linked in the description if you guys want to check it out, but also make make sure your notifications are turned on. That way you guys can see when I post my review. Next up, we got some stuff from Aritzia. I already unpackaged this one, got it in a separate package, and I knew what it was and I wanted to take a picture with it. But it is this hat. And at first I was like, I don't know if I can rock this hat. It's not like a crazy big hat, but it's also not that small. I really like it. I got this in an extra small to small. Okay, next up we got this box from Aritzia. So as I mentioned, for Aritzia, we have more accessories based things. I didn't get like a lot of like clothing items, so I figured I would just show you these accessories. First up, we have this silk headband. It's like a Hawaii themed silk headband. It expands like that, so it has an elastic matte black headband. And I just got this to wash the face. Honestly, I love silk stuff, so I have a silk pillow and all of that. Apparently it's really good for your hair to sleep on and all of that, so I picked this guy up just so I can wash my face. Next up, I picked up another headband. This I thought was gonna be silk, but it's not silk. Again, the elastic at the back, and then the same like bow knot detail at the front. This one is the matte in ice gray, so it was $18 originally. I think I got it for like $10. I think they'll be cute. Should I try it on? Let's try on this one. It's cute just to like hold my hair back when I'm like washing my face and all of that, or even if you're doing your makeup, you can just put your hair back like that. I actually like it. Not bad. And for like $10, I want to say it was like $10. So we have that. Next up, socks. So I think these are the Fairview socks. Yeah, so these are the Fairview socks. I love these ankle socks, and I just got white socks because there's nothing like a brand new pair of crisp white socks. So I love these, especially wearing them with my Air Force Ones. They have the little grips at the bottom so you don't slip. But after a while they do kind of like go down. So I've had these socks. They are dirty and they are very well loved, and so yeah, they don't always stay this grippy. Is that a word, grippy? They come in different colors. I did get a pack also before in one of my other hauls where it was like black, gray, and white, but I just wanted a pack of all white ones. And then we picked up these new ones. So these are the Tavi pink, blue, rose socks, $15 again. I love these little like pastel colors. So there is the pink one, comes with a like blue, baby blue one, and then a purple. These say they are one size, but it also says shoe size 6 to 9, so I guess one size if you are in between 6 to 9. I don't always like to wear big heavy socks like this, which is why I picked these guys up just to be around the house. I don't really wear them with shoes. I just realized. So I've never had these before, but on the inside, if you can see, they have a little clear grip. That way they don't slide down. And then lastly, I picked up this top. This is the Sunday Best top. I got it in an extra small. It is the Honor top, and originally it was $20. This is it. It's like a ribbed top, basic ribbed top. I really like the color of it. It is in the soft camel, so it is like a brownish color, but I really like this shade. It's gonna be cute. And it is very stretchy, very light fabric as well, super thin, like very, very thin. I can see my ring light. I don't know if you guys can see through it. You can see through my nails. So it is a like thinner material, but it's going to be very breathable and nice for summer, those hot days. And I just really like the neckline of it and the tank top, how it has a kind of bigger lower scoop at the shoulder area. So that is why I picked this guy up. But yeah guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, especially for the beautiful flowers in the background. Obsessed. Again, thank you so much, babe, for sending me those. Also, shout out to the Sweden brand Foreo for sending me the UFO and face masks. Again, so freaking excited to try those out. I think I'm going to try it out starting tomorrow, and then like I mentioned, I will have a video on that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!